Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about crypto.com and the strength of the CRO fam in the community and how important that really is for a crypto project. Now, a lot of FUD has been going on and a lot of fear has been out and about Solana, and its price is plummeting right now below $10. Some strong characters in the crypto space. Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, coming out defending it, actually causing a bounce on the Solana price. We're going to tie all this together, talk about the importance of the community and what we see coming for Cronos and Solana and the crypto ecosystem moving into the future and into the next bull market, and a couple other stories. So a lot of great content for you guys today. If you like that content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every single day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. And guys, we're currently at 6,000 subs, so make sure you subscribe today because we are getting close to that 10K and we're giving away money. And now when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away lion number 1583. We are giving away a free loaded lion. All you got to do is go to Twitter and follow the instructions for this giveaway. We're very excited to give back to the community, thinking about becoming the Mr. Beast of crypto, Black Sea and I. So lot to be happy for, trying to get back to the community. Looking at some of the prices right now, Bitcoin, crypto, falling just a little bit. I mean, we're still in this bear market, folks. We're still in this bear market. Bitcoin slipping a little bit lower today. Expect some more volatility because we are coming to a monthly candle close for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. We'll follow in suit with the volatility coming with Bitcoin. Folks, these are great prices to be buying. I think I finally convinced my parents to consider taking a position because, historically, guys, is this the lowest price that Bitcoin's going to go to in this bear market? I'm not really quite sure. But historically, I can tell you for sure that this, relative to the previous peak, is a extreme discount when you're talking about the difference from the peak of the bull market to the valley in this bear market. And this is a great price. Even if Bitcoin and crypto continues to fall down another 30, 40%, at least you didn't buy Bitcoin at 30, 40, 50K. And if you did, now is the time to dollar cost average in and take your cost basis down. And so had a great conversation with my family the other day. And it's the same conversation I want to have with members in the community. Now, this is not financial advice, but guys, you look historically, the price of crypto and Bitcoin is very low right now. And in my opinion, and Black Sea's opinion, this is the time we believe that you have an opportunity for generational wealth accumulation opportunities. And you look at Cronos, and guys, CRO, we believe it will go back to $1. When it does, that is a 20x from here, slightly less than a 20x. And I believe that it can go to 2, if not 5 or even $10. Now, maybe not 10 in the next bull run, but a lot of upside for Cronos. You look at the price action that Binance had in the last bull market, and it was insane. And we could see something similar out of CROcoin. And Solana had come out of nowhere and became a top 10 project, I believe, at one point in the last bull market, or if not, it was very close. And one of the strongest ecosystems right now for NFTs, but is currently undergoing some fallout from the FTX FUD. So we'll talk a little bit more about that here, but giving you a framework on where we're at in the market right now, what you're seeing in the price action. So that's what we got going on right now, but a little update for you guys on that FTX fallout that is causing Solana to fall right now. Just turned out that the Bahamian government came out and said that they did seize 3.5 billion of FTX crypto assets for safekeeping. So some of these funds are there. This may or may not be going back to the users. We'll have to see how the Bahama government handles this. But thought this was an interesting update I wanted to share with the community in case any of you guys did unfortunately have any funds in FTX. So this case will keep you posted as this starts to unfold. And so Solana has been sliding, and this is what a lot of people are fearful for. But guys, it was really good to see that during all this fear, Vitalik Buterin came out yesterday. We talked about this on our live stream. By the way, we do live streams. Hit the notification bell to be reminded of any videos we have coming out. Every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 Central Standard Time, we do live streams. We talked about this last night. In fact, we were reporting on this before CoinDesk yesterday, which was awesome to be able to do. We found this information out. Black Sea found this information from Twitter. We threw it into our live stream. We're able to report faster than mainstream media, folks. So it's really cool to be able to do that. But the Solana price actually rebounded slightly as Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, tweeted support for Solana is a competitor and a competing project. His quote is, some smart people tell me there is an earnest, smart developer community in Solana, and now the awful opportunistic money people have been washed out. The chain has a bright future. So he's giving a very bullish, a very optimistic future narrative for Solana, which is great to see because I don't want it to die. You guys don't want it to die. We don't want good crypto projects to die. The community is so strong for Solana because they've done so much with these NFTs, and it is so easy to use. I mean, my partner Black Sea uses Solana and Magic Eden all the time. There's so many great things in this ecosystem and so many great dApps to use. And you can see all these different NFTs. Now, DeGods, unfortunately, are with the top NFT on Magic Eden in the Solana ecosystem, and those are actually migrating over to Ethereum, which caused a lot of this FUD. But this support from Vitalik Buterin is very good to see for crypto and for the Solana community. And the community is very important, and we're going to talk more about the CRO community here in a second. But it's going to be very interesting to see what happens with the rest of these projects. Claynosaurs are very popular, having folks that actually help with animations from Pixar. There is a very strong community here, guys, and so it's going to be very interesting. But the real question is for Cronos holders and Crypto.com holders is this an opportunity for Cronos if Magic Eden is having trouble, if Solana is having trouble and the community is experiencing a threat to the underlying token for that community? I do believe it is, and I'm not trying to FUD Solana, guys, because I do think that it's going to recover because you see the support from such important people as Vitalik Buterin. However, I do think it's an opportunity for other NFT ecosystems to, take some market share. So I think that's what we're going to start seeing here. On this platform, there's been over 340,000 NFTs sold. I don't know if they show exactly how many have been sold on this platform. So many more. Magic Eden is much, much bigger at this point. But I have been doing more digging into this ecosystem myself and in looking into such projects on the Cronos ecosystem, such as Board Candy. Board Candy is very, very interesting. I started looking through some of these and clicking in and trying to learn a little bit more about these, clicking on info, history, properties, looking at some of the information about this. And what you can do, and I highly suggest you do it, is go to the website and check it out. And when you do that, you can learn a little bit about these tokens and what they mean. Now, Board Candy NFTs, you can stake these to earn more rewards in the DEX. You can swap them just like a Uniswap. And there's a lot more functionality in here. And eventually, they want to create an entire ecosystem called the Candyverse, where you can earn, you can do gaming, and you can do a lot of things. And right now, they already do have a game that is live. It is currently not available for iOS users, people using Mac, but it is available for Windows users. And you can start to earn CRO. And so the more of these NFTs you have, the more CRO that you can earn, and the more you can get in the actual DEX. And there's in-game benefits. So this is kind of the whole thing. Earning passive income with crypto, gamification. Now, we talked a little bit yesterday in our live stream about some of the big projects that are coming, and there will be AAA games coming in the next bull market. People are predicting, Crypto.com is predicting. Could they be at the forefront? Now, I don't think this is a AAA game, but, and I don't know if this project is going to be a success, but I do think that it is a stronger one when it comes to a comparison against the other projects on the Cronos ecosystem, which is why I decided to dabble, and I bought a little cheap guy here for about $70 or so. And I did get my first Board Candy NFT, and I'm just going to dabble. I'm here to learn, guys. And so I suggest that you guys do some research, do your own research. I'm not telling you to go out and buy an NFT, okay? But in order to play the game, you got to buy one. I personally want to experiment with it. These things could be worthless. I'm not quite sure yet, but it's going to be very interesting to see which of these projects get adopted. So I'm going to test out for you guys, which ones I like best. And see over time, which ones I like. But I tried this one out, and I'm going to experiment a little bit with this DEX, with this dApp, and try this out a little bit. Another one I looked into is this Cosmonauts, and this is another a play-to-earn game. You can actually earn funds, CRO on this game, and it's kind of like an asteroid blaster game where you can go in and you can shoot little asteroids, and you can play this game, and you can earn CRO coins, and they're selling NFTs for this one. You can buy these all on opensea, which is one of the largest NFT marketplaces on the Cronos chain right now. Minted is also a very popular one. I just happen to like, right now, I like opensea a little bit more Personally, I want to know what you guys think in the comments down below as well. But I did dabble with Cosmonauts as well, another play to earn game, a little bit different. And I'm going to experiment with that. So I got myself a little Cosmonaut as well with a little CRO collar here just to try out. Now, I'm not recommending that anybody go out and buy these. I've got a lot of research to do, but I do think that this is very interesting. And I personally want to dabble in this space. And so I'm going to be exploring this a little bit for the community and give you guys my thoughts. So far, I think it's pretty interesting. Who doesn't want to earn a little bit of CRO? For me, though, I wouldn't have done this if these were more expensive right now. I've spent quite a bit on NFTs lately, so I'm not trying to overdo it with NFTs. But since these were low enough cost, I'm going to check out these ecosystems and continue to look at more and just dabble a little bit. Keep an eye on this CRO fam, on this Cronos community. Now, guys, we do want to see this Cronos ecosystem grow. And so I'm trying to support these new projects and trying to look into which ones are good to share with the community so that we continue to strengthen and bring more developers into the Cronos ecosystem and into other ecosystems, right? I want more development on all blockchains. We want competition, and we also want collaboration. So it's going to be very, very cool to see what happens here with these Cronos NFTs, with these Cronos games, with the Solana games, with the Solana ecosystems as well. But one thing's for sure, guys, the CRO fam is growing. Crypto.com is doing a great job of showing how it's growing on Twitter all the time. You can see the Loaded Lion community. Guys, they're so strong right now in numbers and support. I'm in that Discord every single day. I'm feeling very good about it. So it's going to be very cool to see what projects get developed here and how much CRO you can actually earn on these play-to-earn games. If you guys have used any of these games, and if you guys are as excited about the CRO fam as me, leave me a comment in the chat down below. We care about your feedback, guys. And I really want to know how you guys are feeling, CRO fam. But keep in mind, guys, we're in a bear market, and so there's more downside potentially, absolutely. But the key here is building. These Cronos projects are building. Binance is building. Binance can now purchase crypto using Apple Pay and Google Pay. They're expanding into more and more opportunities to grow themselves. So is Crypto.com. And I think that these exchanges are going to be monsters in the future. Binance Coin, CRO Coin, looking really good right now in terms of positioning against the rest of the crypto market. But guys, just in general, Web3, gaming, metaverse, feeling very good about it. And the fact that Crypto.com is tapping into it, I think we should all be pretty excited. And when you guys look at DeFi and you see where the strength of Cronos is here, it is very large. And a fun fact for you guys, in terms of projects on the Cosmos network, Cronos is #1, folks. So we are doing very well, and the Crypto.com team is building fantastically through all of this bear market and all this FUD that's going on, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are giving away this line when we hit 25K subs, and if you're a member on our channel, which all you have to do is go to our YouTube channel, click join, or go in the link in the description down below. If you do become a member, you do get exclusive benefits to the channel, and you have an additional chance, more entries to this giveaway, and an opportunity to win this line, guys. So that's all I got for you guys today. Feeling good for the CRO fam. Have a great weekend, y'all. That's all I got today. I am Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, guys, to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one, guys. I got 2 videos for you right here and right here if you would like to check them out. That's all I got, guys. Have a great one. Peace.